Holy shit.
Is it safe?
That's a huge drop, man. That's massive. That's insane. Dude, it's such a huge drop. Like, it's humongous.
So,
Like, I can pull you back, and then we may want to pile some tree logs there. Like, it's about a 4-foot drop. Like, it just looks ridiculous. Yeah, it's not safe because your one wheel is up high and your other one's right in a hole. It's not looking good. Yeah, if it does drop, it will be slow. So just stay there. Don't go anywhere. Just wait. Your one tire's in the air. Your line, you took way too far right. So you're like on that huge mountain, and then here you're already in the hole. Why don't I pull you back?
okay.
And then you can redo the proper line. Because, yeah, it looks ridiculous. One tire's in the air. That one's up on a hill. Other one's in a hole. Oh, good old Tundras. Wow. Yeah, man, I'll pull you back. Let me get my 20-foot rope and I'll pull you back. Because this is just floating. And there's not much clearance there. But he's got rock sliders, so that's good. We gotta pull him back because look at this tire too. I've never seen a tire this caked in mud before. It's literally sticking out the side. Rear one's not much better. So yeah, we gotta pull him back now and redo our approach here. Might have to build a bridge. Chocolate ice cream cone. Mmm, yummy. Yummy, yummy chocolate. This is the drop we're trying to take. Let's get down here for some perspective.
It's 3.5 feet.
Yeah, it's over 3 feet for sure. Hello. Yeah, fun times. All right, we'll try it again. Yeah, don't chop your wheel off. Let's dig it down.
Sorry, Axe. Bye. Watch out, Abby.
You may need to sharpen after.
Yeah, that's fine. This is my grabber.
Better than sharpening the side of the truck.
Well, you already tried that.
Yeah, try to chew it off. All right, we cut some of that clay down, so we're gonna try to make it now. A little bit towards me, a little bit right. Yeah, like that. Yeah, looking good. Slow, slow. You're coming to the dip now with your right side. Towards me. Yeah, like that. Keep going. Good. Keep coming. Nice. Yeah, keep that line. Looking good, man. Okay, you're coming up to the dip about a foot away with your back. So don't go fast off it, you'll rip your exhaust off. Okay, you're almost there. Now inch it, inch it. Yeah, good.
Alright. Exhaust is getting clear on this side.
It's just clear. Dude, you're like within an inch with everything. Ho ho!
You got it. Just your hitch.
Wow. Well, that's good.
We'll get you to pull up here, and then I'll pull up behind you. Then these guys can go around.
Sure, yeah.
Good job.
You can get it around to the right there.
Yeah, we're rolling.
I really hope it's part of the one. This would be
He's definitely wide.
wide. Turn more to the right towards me.
Evie, can you watch my right side that I don't hit the body there, please? Or one of the boys, James maybe?
I can do it.
Well, I'll get an adult, but thank you for volunteering. Just keep an eye on that side, just so I don't want to damage the boards and stuff like that.
Oh yeah, you got about a foot there.
Yeah, okay, I can't see, so.
Oh, you got a foot.
Okay, that makes me happy, thank you.
Oh, you're not even close.
Okay, perfect, that's good to hear.
Go on, get off the road. Olivia. Jacob, get down.
Oh, you good? You good?
Oh, 14 inches of fun. Have a good day. Split, split, splat. There she goes, guys.
After a nice day of wheeling, what's better than a nice fire with a bunch of beers? Oh yes. Natural light from the fire. The truck made it. There's a little river here. And the fire is burning hot.